Effective time management is essential for success in both personal and professional life. With so many tasks, deadlines, and responsibilities, it can be challenging to manage our time efficiently. However, with the right strategies and techniques, anyone can improve their time management skills and achieve their goals more effectively. Assess your current time management habits. The first step to effective time management is to assess your current habits. Take a look at how you currently spend your time and identify areas where you are wasting time or not being as productive as you could be. It is important to be honest with yourself about your habits and identify the areas that need improvement. 2. Set clear goals and priorities. Once you have assessed your habits, it is time to set clear goals and priorities. Identify your top priorities and goals, and determine which tasks are most important and which can be delegated or eliminated. It is essential to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve, as this will help you stay focused and motivated. 3. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule is an effective way to manage your time efficiently. Plan out your day or week in advance, allocate time for your top priorities and most important tasks, and build in breaks and time for self-care. A well-planned schedule helps you stay organized and focused, reducing stress and increasing productivity. 4. Learn to say no. Learning to say no is an important skill for effective time management. Be selective about what you commit to, and say no to requests or tasks that don't align with your priorities or goals. Saying no can be difficult, but it is essential to avoid taking on too much and becoming overwhelmed. Use time management tools. There are many time management tools available that can help you stay organized and focused. Tools like calendars, timers, and apps can help you manage your time more effectively and increase your productivity. Use productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique to improve your focus and productivity. 6. Take breaks and recharge. Taking regular breaks is crucial for effective time management. Build in breaks to avoid burnout and stay fresh, and use your breaks to do activities that recharge you, like taking a walk or doing some meditation. Taking breaks helps you stay productive and reduces stress. 7. Review and adjust. Finally, it is essential to regularly review your time management habits and schedule and adjust as needed. Life is constantly changing, and your priorities and goals may shift over time. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your habits and schedule helps you stay on track with your goals and priorities. In conclusion, effective time management is critical for success in both personal and professional life. By assessing your current habits, setting clear goals and priorities, creating a schedule, learning to say no, using time management tools, taking breaks and recharging, and reviewing and adjusting, you can manage your time more efficiently and achieve your goals more effectively. With practice and discipline, anyone can improve their time management skills and achieve their full potential. Thank you for joining us here at Chill 2 Studio. We hope you enjoyed our content as much as we enjoyed creating it. If you found our videos entertaining, informative, or helpful, we would really appreciate it if you could help us out by sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. It would mean a lot to us and help us grow so that we can continue to provide you with more great content in the future. Thank you again for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.